What's up YouTube? Welcome back for another video. So if you're coming here from the grill removal video, you know that I have my entire grill out and that we are going to be painting the grill, the bumpers and all that. So now the next step is to remove the front bumper. So to remove the front bumper, what you're going to need is an 18mm socket, a pry tool, an 8mm socket, 10. I have a breaker bar just simply because I don't have a 1/2-inch socket, and then a flathead screwdriver. So I got the GoPro, so I can hopefully show you guys as much as I possibly can, both hands. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and head out. So the first thing you're actually going to have to do is remove your headlights. So if you come in here on your wheel well, you're going to see a little access panel here. So get in here with your flathead or your pry tool, whatever you have available to you. That went flying, okay. Alright, so go ahead and pry this back. And so you're not actually going to be able to see it. See if I can get you in here. But inside here, right there, that white clip you see, you need to press up on that white clip and it's going to release the back of your headlight. Alright guys, so I'm using my GoPro, but I have to hold it. I bumped it and now it's all messed up, and for whatever reason the app on my phone to let me see my picture is not working. So now that you have the headlights out on both sides, you have to take this upper grill shell off. So what you're going to do is there's just a 8mm bolt here, and then it's backwards. So you see where the threads are right here? You got to reach around and the head of the bolt is on the other side. It's a 10mm, and then you will just have these clips all along here that will pop off, and then you can take it off. So now we are ready to take off the actual bumper itself. Hey. Okay, so under the truck here, you're gonna have two wiring harnesses that you're gonna need to disconnect. So this, if you have parking sensors, you will have this wiring harness here, and then your fog light parking sensor is right here. So you can just disconnect these two, and then we'll be able to take these three bolts out. These are 18mm, 1, 2, and 3. And then the bumper will be ready to come off. So you will do this on the driver's side, and obviously the exact same thing on the passenger side. All right guys, there's the bumper off. So yeah, once you make sure that you unclip all of your clips, because there will this harness here will be attached to the frame rail. So just make sure that you pull all of your clips, and then this one is attached to the bumper. So make sure you get this one out as well, otherwise you're gonna pull on this trying to get out the bumper. So bumper's out. Again, if you're repainting it, or if you are here to be painting it and learning how to do that, we will go over next how to take out the parking sensors, take out the fog lights, all that. If not, that is where the video ends for you guys on how to remove your bumper if you're putting on an aftermarket one or whatever it may be. But yeah, so we're gonna move on to the next part. Alright guys, so the first thing you're obviously going to want to do that I already did is go ahead and just take off your license plate bracket. So then flipping it over here, we're going to go ahead and get all the big bolts out first that you see, and then see what else needs to be removed from there. So all these big ones here on the inside and the outside are all 15mm. So I'm going to pop all those off and see what's next. Alright guys, hey, you helping? Of course you are. So actually it was super simple. Once you take out the 15mm bolts out of the bigger slots, it all actually, the the plastic piece, the frame mount, and then the fog lights all actually come out together. So all that's left to do is to take out the parking sensors if you have them. So it's got 2 clips on the side, and then you can go ahead and take the sensor out, and then from there it's got 2 clips on this side and 2 clips on the top and the bottom, and it will push through, and then all that will come off. So we're gonna go ahead and take the parking sensors out, and the front bumper should be ready to, we gotta pull those plastic tabs, but other than that, should be ready to roll. All right, guys, so she is fully taken apart. For those little plastic pieces over here, it's literally just a push pin. So just pry back on it, and it'll release, and you can pull it out. All that's left is just these little super rusted clips that are holding on the wiring harness. So those are clipped off. Other than that, she is ready to go, guys. So that's the video for this one on how to remove the front bumper. Now all I have left to do is remove the rear bumper. So go ahead and check out that next video, and then we will be ready for paint. Finally ready, and everything will be taken apart. So I will go into all the details on prep work for that. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe for more to come. Until next time, peace.